kono na menu donyiru ni gama
Coronation. Chief Dr. Sir Kingsley Ebo specially and affectionately invites India's chiefs, professors, doctors, reverends, titled dignitaries and general public to his coronation and conferment of kingship as His Royal Highness Ezudo Ndi Igbo I of Ashaman, Royal Fathers of the Day. His Royal Majesty Eze Dr. Ambassador Chukwu the Jodi Hanetu Eze Ndi Igbo I na Ghana, Eze Ohazuru May I, the paramount king of Igbo community in Ghana. His Royal Highness Ni Anang Ajo, King of Ashaman and head of Ashaman Traditional Council. Venue, His Royal Highness Ezudo Residence, Mataiko, beside Life International College. Stop at white signboard. Day, Saturday, 12 December 2022. Time, 12 p.m. prompt. Special guest of honor, His Royal Highness Eze Samuel Ekezie JB, Ezudo I na Sampe Kingdom, Ghana. His Royal Highness Eze Dr. Evangelist Tony Olasi, Ezudo of Kwabia and Pokwasi region. His Royal Highness Eze Chuma of Kadibo, Eze Binugu Ezudo I na Adoteman Traditional Council. His Royal Highness Ni Apote Agolong the second Nchechremanche of Nungwa Traditional Area. His Royal Highness Eze Victor Anyim, Eze Ndibo na Aflawo and Eze Wanyi Tina Anyim, Ugeze Wanyi of Aflawo Kingdom. His Royal Highness Eze Dr. Igwechinedu Kingsley JP, Oganiru I na Ghana, Eze Igbo Central Region Ghana. His Royal Highness Eze Satenis Madabuchi Oha, Ezudo na Kaswa, Eze Ogaranya Sinachi, Ndi Igbo na Ghana. Ugeze Liberty Ihenetu, Nanache Chirewa I of Ghana. Chief Dr. Divine Okuduri Wando, Akunesio Bikawa na Ghana. CEO Oku Ventures West African Limited, Chief Chris Ike Agode Aka Onyewetra the second Nakokwa, CEO Miraculous State West Africa. Chief Patrick Chukwu Ezamro Namba Enyi one of our life, Oku Eji Ahunzo Nkembo na Abia State Progressive Union. For direction and inquiries, call 054-733-5886, 020-084-4490, 050-693-4372. MCs of the day, MC Man of Vision, Onunekuru Igbo Nile na Ghana. Music by Prince Chimaduru, the Prince of High Life Music in Ghana. Ashama people and Ndibo living in Ashama, the King of Justice and Peace has come to bring peace and prosperity to the land. Ezudo Ashama, Ogadreginama, Tirani Gawa.